In this video, we will learn how to use Sumif function in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some sales data. Have all details of the sale with the category, subcategory, product name, sale, profit, and all other details. So I'm using here Sumif function to get the total profit as per the category. So let's start. Is equal to Sumif, then sum range. So I select the sum range is a profit. Then I select the criteria range. So here criteria range is a category, then comma, then criteria 1. So I select this furniture. Just enter. You can see here 18451 is a total profit of furniture category. If you want to cross check, just filter this data, select the furniture and just select the full profit 18451, exact total amount you get here by using the Sumif function. In second example, I am giving here the two criteria. So here I give only the one criteria is a furniture, and here I am giving the two criteria in furniture. In chair is a subcategory. Want the total profit. So just is equal to Sumifs. Sum range is a profit, comma. Then criteria range is a 1. Select the furniture, then comma, furniture, then criteria 2 subcategory, then comma, forward chair, then bracket close. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.